everyone. Here SHEMS Shanivarasante presents to you the poem The Arrow. This poem is written by an American poet H.W. Longfellow. In this video, I bring the poem with a recitation along with summary. The poem The Arrow and the Song. This poem is written by an American poet and educator H.W. Longfellow. His full name is Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. He was one of the few American writers honored in the poets. His themes carries the truth and simple and very musical. The Arrow and the Song. I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight. I breathed a song into the air. It fell to earth I knew not where. For who has sight so keen and strong that it can follow the flight of song? Long, long afterward in an oak, I found the arrow still unbroke, and the song from beginning to end I found again in the heart of a friend. In the stanza 1, the poet tells how he shot an arrow that flew in the air swiftly. However, he is unsure about where it fell on the ground. This is because the arrow went so fast that he could not follow its flight. In this stanza, the arrow represents unkind, harsh words or something that can cause destruction. In the second stanza, the poet is talking about the song that he sang in the open. Again, he is not aware where it has reached, as there is hardly anyone who is keen to follow where the song reaches. Here, the song represents kindness and pleasing words, or something which is warm and friendly. In the stanza 3, the poet says that when he walked in search of that arrow and song, he found both of them. Both were lying undisturbed. However, the arrow was laying on the ground, and the complete song was there in the heart of a dear friend. This poem talks about the fact words are unbroken. We lash out at someone or say unkind words, but we may not always see the consequences. However, a time comes when we regret saying those words because they eventually come back to us. The poem says that the arrow was not broken and was laying on the ground undisturbed. Similarly, our words remain undisturbed and unbroken and will remain in the world forever once you let them out. When the poet sang a song, it also disappeared, and when the poet went in search of it, it was also laying undisturbed, but in the heart of a friend. So, it is important to think before you speak, as your words can touch people's hearts and can have a great impact on the lives of others. Thus, the poem represents the impact of hatred in the form of an arrow and the permanence of joy in the form of a song.